In today's video, we are going to learn about how to fix Instagram camera settings. If you are facing problems on the camera of your mobile phone or the Instagram app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. Now to fix the Instagram settings, the number one step is to check your device camera settings. For that, go to settings, just like this. Then tap onto camera right here. Select it. Now ensure that your camera is set up properly. Tap onto formats right here. Then tap onto most compatible right here. Then tap onto preserve settings. Then from here you can simply adjust it. The next step is to clear Instagram cache. For that, go to the general option right here. Tap on it. Then tap onto iPhone storage. Then scroll down and find the Instagram app. Then select it. Then tap on to offload app. After offloading the app, you will clear the cache on it. And after offloading it, make sure you have reinstalled it. Next step is to enable camera permissions. For that, go to the apps, just right here. Then tap on it. Then find the Instagram app, just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the camera option. Now simply enable it, just like this. Now the next step is to adjust Instagram camera settings. For that, open the Instagram app, just like this. Then swipe to your left, just like this. And after opening this camera, tap onto this settings option. Tap on it. Then from here you can simply adjust the filters and effects, flash and grid, and simply adjust it and tap on to done. Next step is to update the Instagram. For that, go to the App Store. Then tap on to the search bar and type Instagram and search for it. Then open the Instagram app, and if there is the update version, you can simply update it. And the final step is to simply reinstall the Instagram. If any of this does not help to solve your problem, simply reinstall it. Remove the app just like this. Tap on to remove and simply reinstall it. And that's it. This is how you can fix your Instagram camera settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.